Hello friends at home. In this video I am going to be doing this Dot the Blend page with you. This is our language arts page for today, so make sure that you go into your folder, find this page, and have it ready to go. Now, at the top of this page, there is not a line that says name, but that doesn't mean that the first thing we do shouldn't always be the same. So make sure you take out your pencil, and up here at the top, make sure you write your name. That way, when you upload this into Class Dojo, Mrs. Hatkoff and I will be able to know whose page it is as we're grading it, okay? So in language arts, we have been talking about blends, and we know that letter blends are when we take two consonants and we put them together to make a blended sound, okay? Matter of fact, when I say blend, there's a BL blend right there. Okay, a lot of times when we are sounding out words, we break up the sounds into individual parts. Like if we were sounding out the word cat, we would say k, at. There's three different sounds. But we've been learning in phonics that sometimes the letters work together to create a sound that goes together. So in the word blend, we hear the bull is like one sound. So we're going to be looking at each of these pictures, and we're now looking for the blends that come at the end of words. End, like at the end of blend, we have this end blend, okay? So each picture, not only does it have a picture of a word that has a blend, but if you look up in the top corner of each picture, it gives you the beginning sounds of the word to help you figure out what it's a picture of. So what your job on this page is to figure out which one of these dots has the proper blend for that word. And it says dot the blend because they want you to color in the dot that has the correct blend. So it says here, dot the correct ending blend with a dot marker. Now, if you have a dot marker at home, feel free to use it. I'm just using my green marker pen. You can use a marker, you can use a pencil, you can use a crayon. As long as you color in that dot with the correct blend, Mrs. Hatkoff and I aren't too worried about what you use. So this gal is hanging out in her recliner. She's leaning back and she's taking a rest. So here we have the R-E, which is the eh, and we're looking for the st sound. So looking at our two blends, we either have the LT, which would make the ult, or we have the ST, which would make the st. So hopefully you agree that this ST is the correct blend. So I'm going to color in the dot for ST. Now this tells me, and it tells Mrs. Hatkoff, that you understand that rest has the ST blend. And then you can move on to the next one. Here we have a picture of a pond. And they've shown us here that the p, are the first two sounds. And we're looking for that ending sound, the and. So do you think the and sound is made using ND or MP? So ND would be and MP would be mp. Which one of those ends the word pond? Excellent, the ND. So go ahead and color in the dot that has the ND blend. I'll do one more with you, boys and girls, and then I'm going to have you do the rest of them on your own. So this next one shows a boy, and he is running very fast. So the first two sounds we have are F-A, so f-a, and now we're looking for st. So looking at our two options, we either have ST, which makes the st, or we have SK, which makes the sk. So in the word fast, do we hear st or sk at the end? We hear ST, st. Good job. So color in the ST blend. Now for the rest of these pictures, boys and girls, you're going to do just what I've done here. Look at the picture, figure out the ending blend, and color in the dot. Just so there's no confusion as to what the pictures are, I'll go through quickly and tell you what each picture is. That way you know when you're doing the worksheet what blend to be listening for. And if you forget one, lucky you, this is a video. You can rewind it and go back and listen again, okay? So this is a picture of a vest. This is a picture of milk. This is a picture of wind. This is a picture of a raft. This is a picture of a lamp. This is a picture of salt. Ooh, here we have some sand. Right here, she is lost. This is a picture of a tent. Now here, they're showing there are picture frames on the wall, but see how that one is tilted? So the word they're looking for is tilt. Tilt. This is a hand. This is a picture of camp. The person is set up for camp. Here we have a picture of someone who is hiding in the bushes hunting. Hunt. And that's fitting because opening day was earlier this week. Here we have a wand. Wand. And the last one here, it's a picture of her lifting. Lift. Okay? So those are what the pictures are. Go ahead and go through now and dot each of your blends. And when you're finished, if you'd like to take some time to work on your fine motor skills and color those pictures, you know Mrs. Hatkoff and I always love to see nice coloring. Okay? So have fun with this, boys and girls, and we look forward to seeing your work. See you again soon. Bye.